So this is the BMW iX1 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. We're at the stable yard where it's all about electric cars. Today, you've seen the iX1 before. He was here also last year. Fortunately, we're not getting this car in the US, which is a pity because I truly believe this would have been a great seller. But here are some of the specs on the car. 313 horsepower, 230 kilowatts. WLTP range around 265 miles. Of course, it's based on the brand new BMW X1. It's got a little bit of a different design. You can see the closed up kidney grille. You have this new interpretation of the headlights right there. Adaptive LEDs. This one has the M Sport package, so you are getting the more aggressive front bumper, front fascia. I'm not sure what's this color, but it looks stunning actually under this light. So let me move around and show the car a little bit more. It doesn't need much introduction, but I thought you might see it. You see the new design of the X1. So it also comes with a roof box to show you the practicality of the car. Of course, it's the rear end that really excites me on this car. I love the new taillights, this new interpretation of the L shape right there. And even without the pipes, it's quite aggressive in the rear. It's got a really nice stance from the back, you can see there. And I drove this car in Germany and it's a fantastic drive. Had a lot of fun with this one. So this is why I said it's a pity that we're not getting this one in the US. Let me open the door so you can see inside. You can see a decent room in the back here. Should be alright for two people traveling over long distances in the back. Flush door handles, of course. Speaking of design, you got this really cool roof spoiler. Now if you open up the door, let's take a look inside. Because a lot of things have changed here compared to the previous generation. Brand new iDrive 8 with a large curve display. Because of that, you are losing a lot of the physical buttons, so they're not there anymore. You're also losing the iDrive controller, which is a pity also because it's something that's really good today in the BMWs that have it. M Sport steering wheel. You can see the M Sport seats as well. Really interesting stitching right there. Once again, let me give you a three-quarter view of the car.
Not all the time.
So once again, this is the BMW iX1 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed.
Yeah. Real bad shape.